This is for my babies. My beautiful baby. Today I saw you all stressed out. You couldn't even leave the house. All of this pressure you put on yourself. I think you're beautiful. I don't want nobody else. And even if you let your hair go wild and your feet take a break from your favorite stilettos, you're naturally my favorite girl, hands down. And that's how it's gonna be, you and me. So no, now you don't have to put on makeup every day. And I love your natural hair that way. Pretty in the world is your smiling face. Cause baby, I love is natural. You don't have to put on red high heels. You look good when you don't even try. For real, perfect as you are. You don't have to change. Cause baby, I love is natural. Today I saw you almost want to cry. You couldn't see the natural things that I love about you, like your pretty smile. I love is natural. And even if you let your hair go wild and your feet take a break from your favorite stilettos, you're naturally my favorite girl, hands down. And that's how it's gonna be, you and me. So no, now you don't have to put on makeup every day. 'Cause baby, I love your natural hair that way. Pretty in the world is your smiling face. 'Cause baby, I love is natural. Baby, you don't have to put on red high heels. You look good when you don't even try. That's for real, perfect as you are. You don't have to change. Cause baby, I love is natural. And even if you let your hair go wild and your feet take a break from your favorite stilettos, you're naturally my favorite girl. You're naturally my favorite. That's how it's gonna be, you and me. So no, now. And even if you let your hair go wild and your feet take a break from your favorite stilettos, you're naturally my favorite girl, hands down. And that's how it's gonna be, you and me. So no, now you don't have to put on makeup every day. And I love your natural hair that way. Pretty in the world is your smiling. 'Cause baby, I love is natural. You don't have to put on red high heels. You look good when you don't even try. Real, real, you don't have to change. 'Cause baby, I love is natural. And even if you let your hair go wild and your feet take a break from your favorite stilettos, you're naturally my favorite girl, hands down. And that's how it's gonna be, you and me. So no, now you don't have to put on makeup every day. And I love your natural hair that way. Pretty in the world is your smiling face. 'Cause baby, I love is natural. You don't have to put on red high heels. You look good when you don't even try. For real, perfect as you are. You don't have to change. 'Cause baby, I love is natural. There is a girl so lovely to me. She is the reason I dare to believe love can be simple, pure and good sometimes. And I take her heart with me wherever I go. She's 1 in a million. She helps me to grow. The life that she gives is something I need to survive. And I go to the sun and back for her love. I'd fight in 1,000 wars to collapse there in her arms. Pretty my baby, I can't stop calling her Daisy. She is my whole world, she is my heart, forever my girl. In her eyes take me back to the moment she saved me, conquering my dreams, honest and true. Wrote this for you, Daisy. No empty spaces, no empty lines, fills them all with one of her smiles. She is a temple meant to be worshipped, adored, adored. Makes me remember something I've seen deep in the fields in East Tennessee. Timeless and perfect, beautiful, charming and true. Those daisies remind me of you. I'd go to the sun and back for her love. Oh, I'd fight in 1,000,000 wars to collapse there in her arms. Because pretty my baby, I can't stop calling her Daisy. She is my whole world, she is my heart, forever my girl. In her eyes take me back to the moment she said